equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure you have a screwdriver and a clean workspace. First, unplug your Dyson SV12. Remove the screws on the motor cover using your screwdriver. Keep these screws safe for reassembly. Once the cover is off, visually inspect the motor for any signs of damage or wear. Look for discoloration or unusual sounds when you turn it by hand. If you notice anything odd, it's time for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, clean any dust or debris from the motor area. This can help improve performance and longevity. After cleaning, replace the motor cover and secure it with the screws. Remember, if you need assistance, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple service. Before any repair, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your Dyson. Keep it running smoothly and efficiently. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.